Wow, happy Christmas. Well, happy Christmas to you too. Woo! Thanks for being here with our Christmas edition. Yeah, Newbolt's Christmas edition. This is Math 3 Honors. This is Module Week 7, Quarter 2. So thanks again for being here with me. Let's show you my room. Let's see here. Actually, so it's pretty good, but let's actually turn off the lights. That's better. Okay, let's show you what we got going on now. Here we go. We got R2-D2 there. We've got a full-fledged Christmas tree in Newbolt's room. We got a lit-up board. Hallway over there is lit up, as well as the back of the room with Darth Vader and Yoda. Yeah. We got Chewbacca at the end there. That's it. We do have a fiber optic tree. If you look closely at the very back there, it's changing colors on us. Nice. So thanks for being here for Mr. Newbolt's Christmas edition. So this week we're going to finish graphing rational equations. That's going to be day 2 now. Yeah, day 2. Woo! Whoa, you even got a little keyboard. So many colors in Mr. Newbolt's room. Okay, thanks again for being here, you guys. Awesome. So then what we're going to be doing this week is graphing rational functions day 2 and solving rational inequalities. We got lots of good videos to help you there. So day 2 is going to be adding something new. So day 2 is going to be a different way to do the domain, as well as doing something new called the sign chart. Doing the sign chart. So just to give you like a quick example of what those are, let's see. Here we go. So that's going to be this guy right here. So go ahead and email me which gift that you're thinking of buying for somebody else. Come on in, just finishing up a video. So go ahead and think of something. If you missed our Google Meets, then think of a present, maybe not that you won because that was last time, but a present that you're going to buy somebody else. What's a thoughtful gift you're thinking of buying your mom, your dad, guardian, brother, sister, anybody, friend? So what's something you've already bought or you're going to buy for somebody else? Awesome. Okay, so then this week what you're going to be doing is graphing rationals day 2. Again, here's some notes. If you didn't get that from day 1, you can go ahead and write this down. This should be on Canvas to help you there. But just in case, go ahead and pause this video and write all this information down, because this is going to help you with graphing rationals day 1 and day 2. Simplest form, you're going to factor the top and bottom, see if anything cancels. That's called the discontinuity or the whole. X-intercepts at the top equal to 0. Y-intercepts at x equal to 0. Solve for y. Wholes, if anything cancels on the top and the bottom. To find the y value of the whole, you are going to plug. To find the y value of the whole, you are going to go ahead and plug back into the simplest form to get that y value. The vertical asymptote, you're going to set the denominator equal to 0. Horizontal, look at the powers. Is the top degree less than the bottom degree? That would be y equals 0 as our answer there. You're going to graph it along the x-axis. If the powers are the same, then you just use the numbers in front, like 1/3. Or if top degree is greater than bottom degree, then you don't have a horizontal asymptote at all. It's actually called a diagonal or oblique or a slanted asymptote. Interesting. Now to find the domain, it's going to be all real numbers except the vertical asymptote and the x value of the whole. To find the range, it's all real numbers except for y can't equal the horizontal asymptote except for the horizontal and the y value of the whole. Cool. So that's mostly day 1, but it's also day 2. And in day 2, we're also going to be looking for something else. So in day 2, we're actually going to be go ahead and doing, let's see if I can find it. There it is. Is that it? Day 2, there it is. So day 2 is also going to introduce the domain as well as the sign chart. And so the domain is going to be all real numbers except for the whole and the vertical asymptote. However, we're going to write it in interval notation, okay? So that means we're going to go from this is problem number 1 on day 2. If you ever got this information down, you can take a look here. I'm just teaching you domain sign chart, but you can watch my other videos and remember how to do the x-intercept, y-intercept, vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote, and the discontinuity of the hole. So x did cancel, so we did have a hole at x equals 0. Then we plugged it in, and we got 2/3 for the y value of the hole. Y value of the hole. And then we graphed it. And it turned out that that's also, crazy enough, the y-intercept. Whoa! Because that's where it crosses on the y-axis. Because the y-intercept, you also have to set x equal to 0 as well. Crazy. So both of them, the hole and y-intercept, are in the same location. So the domain is going to be from negative infinity. Here we go. Brrr. Helicopter ride. Pa, 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 pa. Brrr. So we just skipped over the vertical asymptote, which is a -3. And so that means our domain is going to go from negative infinity to -3. And then it's going to skip over -3. And how you write that is in union with -3. So that means negative infinity to -3, skipping over -3, not including it. And then going from -3 to what? Well, -3 till we get to the hole, which has an x value of 0. Remember that the domain is the x values. And so we're going to go -3 till we get to the hole, and the hole is at 0 for the x value. And then we're going to skip over that hole by writing it like this, means skipping over the hole. And then going all the way, skip over the hole, and then forever to infinity. And so we're going to go ahead and put infinity there. Beautiful. And so that's how you do the domain for in a different way, using interval notation. Now the sign chart is where it's above the x-axis and below the x-axis. So the sign chart is where the graph is above the x-axis and below the x-axis, right? Cool. And so in this case, we're going to go below, and then we're going to have the -3, which is our vertical asymptote. And then after the vertical asymptote, it changes to above. And so that's going to be our sign chart. And even though there's a hole there, it's going to stay above. So the sign chart is going to be below, so negative. And then after we hit -3, then it's going to go above and be positive. And so there's our sign chart answer. On Canvas, this blank, you're going to fill in the blank there. That'll be a negative. And this blank will be a positive. And then down here below, this blank will be a -3. Cool. So that's how we do graphing rationals day 2. Awesome. And then for doing the next one, which is doing rational inequalities, so I do have some videos to help you there. Videos. And so on our videos, we have the steps and everything. So watch my videos, and that'll help you a lot. All right, make sure you email me what I said earlier. Thanks for watching the video. Email me what you watched earlier. I said it earlier in this video. And then email me, and I'll get you participation points. Thanks for watching this Google Meet. And if I don't see you before or after, have yourself a happy holidays. Woo, to you and your whole family. Peace out, and bye for now. Bye for now. Yeah, bye for now. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.